Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We're going old school today from the basement, the man cave, whatever you want to call it. I am making a video from the most comfortable chair on the planet. Now, I don't think it's a lazy boy, but it's definitely of high quality. It's definitely comfortable, and it's my chair. My kids are eating breakfast right there and right there. Say hi, they could probably hear you. There they are. So what I do before I head into my business, right? Like I said, today was not going to be an active trading day. Okay, that doesn't mean that I'm not watching the markets. That doesn't mean that I didn't post already in our Discord, on Twitter, made my kids breakfast, gonna get them ready for school, then go drive all the way to my own business. But while doing all of that, I am still entrenched into the market. I am still entrenched into all of my subscribers, all of the people on Discord. I have so much going on. I'm so busy with, life, businesses, everything. But that doesn't stop me. And I encourage all of you to get many different revenue streams if you can. That is the way to live life. That way you can get whatever you want. You don't have to worry about bills. It just makes life easier. So anyway, I don't know where that all came from. That was just a rant. But it is very early in the morning. The momentum stocks have been trash all week. I think I've only traded 2 momentum stocks this week. I had one good one, one bad one, stayed away from them. I'm disciplined. I don't care. If it doesn't look good, I'm not getting in. And it hasn't looked good. The overall market, it's been strong, but it has also been choppy to day trade, which is fine. It's okay. But I'm making this video early, and I'm going to post it either in a little bit or later on, depending on when I have time to actually upload it and go through, the actual process of doing that with YouTube. I have about 40 minutes or so. So if I could get it done in that time, I'll just upload it this morning. I think we should just start with, because I'm not going to take any more trades today. I've seen enough of this market to know when I am going to either get into, not taking the right trade, knowing I'm not going to be able to be at my computer screen today. I don't want to jump into anything and then not be able to see anything happen. So I might as well end up the week. Let me see. Hold on one second. Monitor. Sharing the moneymaker. Again, high quality entries. I only took one trade. I saw an opportunity, and I'll go over it with you. I am only trading the micro E-mini as far as the futures go. Now, the micro E-mini, okay, you can minimize your risk with this futures, whatever. I don't know, I wouldn't call it a security, but it's an index future. And you can limit your risk if you do micro. I can do straight up /ES, which is the E-mini, but the move is I think it's 10 times. So this trade right here, this would be $100 winner instead of a $10 winner. But if I was down $10, it would also be a $100 loser. Maybe one day when I'm feeling more comfortable as far as futures, because I'm pretty good at reading the overall trends of the market. Maybe one day I'll up that risk, but you know, for now I feel totally comfortable. And if you don't like it, so be it. I don't care. But I'm going to continue to trade the micro because I find I can minimize my risk better that way. When you have a mortgage, bills, family, a business, I am smart. I am disciplined. I'm not going to risk a lot of money um, for YouTube fame. Okay. You know, you're not going to see, I'm not going to lose, you know, $200,000 in a day. It's just not going to happen. So let me just show you guys what I saw this morning. Also, shout out to the Discord. Our Discord that I created a week ago has been really, really nice. I'm really enjoying it. I know that they're really enjoying it too. They're getting a lot of good information. I'll link that in the description. If you want, you can join also. It's free. I mean, I don't see why you wouldn't. So I'll link that in the description as along with my social accounts as well, so that you guys can keep up with you know, what I'm looking at, what I'm doing every single morning. I post on the Discord and I post on my Twitter account at Mr. Greenbar what I am looking at, what the important price levels are on the SPY, on the Qs, so you guys can go over and look at that. So anyway, let's take a look. So we took one trade here, a nice 2-point scalp, a beautiful scalp right before this. That is what you like to see. Why did I do this? That's what I'm about to go over. So what I noticed, and I'll get out my trusty trend line right here. Boom, boom. Obvious uptrend since the early buying overseas, right? An obvious uptrend. Didn't mean to do that. So when something is in an obvious uptrend like this, you know, trading futures, it doesn't have to be perfect to the wick. I'm just showing you guys, hang on one second, an overall area of where this thing is trading, right? So you guys can see since the early AM, 2 a.m., it started to uptrend. Now, the reason why I went long, I'm going to show you. That was also one part of it. The second part of it, to take a quick scalp, was at 7 a.m. when a lot of people can start taking trades. I noticed there was a lot of buying. And then once we got over VWAP, I entered here with a stop right below VWAP. I said, this seems like a perfect entry for a low risk, quick scalp. So I saw the buying come in. That confirmed the overall uptrend from the morning. And by the way, this is the futures market. That just gave me the two criteria that I needed to scalp. Now, I scalp, I don't hold, okay? We're already back down to where I entered. So when this went up a whole nother point or almost 2 points, did I care? Not really, because I've done this so many times. I know you're never going to get it at the exact top. It's just not going to happen. But that being said, I scalp because what you guys are seeing right here, I get in and I get out. especially pre-market. And we're at 7:43 right now. So at about 8 o'clock in the morning, that's when some institutional orders will go through. And that would be another period of time. Now, I'm not going to be able to. That's when my kids are going to be getting ready for school. The bus comes, et cetera, et cetera. But at 8 o'clock, if more volume pours in to the upside, then that would give you a little bit more, you know, confirmation of an uptrend. So anyway, that was my quick scalp for today. A very small win, taking commissions out of this. It's only a $5 profit. It is what it is. I'll show you guys what's going on right now in the small micro cap momentum stocks. Garbage. It's just 40%. These things used to be 80%, 90%, 100%. I mean, these are the top. Everything is just falling below VWAP. Garbage. This is not worth my time. I will not trade this. It's just not worth it. Look at this one. It couldn't hold VWAP, just drops. And this is your third gainer. Now, you can get lucky and trade some of these for a quick scalp. No question about it. But you can also get really chopped out if there's not one specific stock. There's got to be that one where everybody's looking at. So go over, look at your volume, and you want to be in the stock that has all the volume and all the eyes are on it, and a stock that holds VWAP. That's what you want to trade in the pre-market. You need to keep over VWAP. There needs to be a lot of volume and a catalyst. Super important. All week long, that market has been no good. So it wasn't a great week, obviously, of trading, but I'm going to stop here. Like I said, I have a busy day, and that is now 13 straight green days. While they're very small, I'm not proud of how small the green days are. So don't get me wrong. But I did up my share size. So I'm taking, almost $30,000 trades now. So we should start to see the numbers increase. But the key is the entries are very accurate. That's what you want to see. And you could always increase your risk to make more money, but you got to get consistent and stay consistent and have a nice market to feel confident in doing that for yourselves. So I hope that you guys have a great weekend. I'll have videos all weekend long about the week coming up. You know how I do it. And if you're new, subscribe and hit the like button for me. It helps the channel continue to grow. All right, guys, take care, everyone.